Well, I eat monkeys.
In the face. Bienvenidos and welcome to Mad Cook, taking you on the journey of aroma, tang and wallop to the most vomitrous kitchens in existence. Today's meal I personally shot dead with a blowgun and some poison darts. The catch of the day is Curious George, roasted on an open fire. A couple of words on preparation. Before throwing bubbles into the secret of a succulent soup. All you really need is some wood, some fire, and utensils strong enough to crack open Cheetah's cranium. Taka. But throw away those pending.
Okay, 1, 2, 3!
Woohoo!
But I've already had monkey brains in the jungle.
Cheese.
I'm so happy I'm not eating it. Okay, Riku, cowboy up and consume the little primate.
You know, I've been throwing up quite a lot lately, so I wouldn't like to continue that.
Killed monkey brain.
Again.
Again what? Eat it, a whistle.
Finished. Cut.